Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. It is better to believe than to disbelieve. And in doing so, you bring everything to the realm of possibility. Albert Einstein. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 53, NASDAQ up 39, S&P's up 14.5. You're talking about reversals out here, folks. We had them in spades. I mean, big time. Gold contract up $7.60, traded at $1,230 an ounce. You get silver up a penny at $15.25. Platinum down $5 at $9.38 an ounce. Bonds. The bonds said it all, folks. The 10-year flat, 130.30. Now the 10-year and the 30-year went into the February swing high, rejected it, had lighter volume, monster failure on price and volume. Bonds and notes, the 10-year note, 30-year bond want lower price. What does that set up? That sets up the S&P continuing higher. This S&P, I suspect, this is a B to C, a very large ABC down. You know, it very well may do a small ABC structure on the way up before it wants to come back. It's a beautiful thing, folks. It's a little trader's paradise out here. King dollar. King dollar up 5 ticks, 97.49. The euro is trading at $1.10, and the yen is trading at 111.94. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. Okay, so this is what you have. The swing point, we have two separate swing points. February 1st, that was our first swing at $194.55. And the SPY, 136 million shares traded. We tested that on Monday, and it failed. You know, we went to 194.95. You did 103 million shares versus 136. So what did it do yesterday? Yesterday, you had price destruction on dramatically lighter volume. We had come down yesterday, and we come down with 111 million shares. That was going into 240 million shares. It was going into 180 million shares. So what do we do today? Bottom line, you got down today. We got down to a price point of the 189. You did volume of 147 million. Guess what? You're still going into 323 million. Fast price destruction, no volume, rejection of lower price. So what do we have? Now, the market is going to have a chance to do 14-point ABC up from the lows on the S&P. And I suspect it's going to go after it right in the morning. Why am I saying that? Well, the B point of this ABC structure on the way up, folks, is $194.95. That's nothing. That's $1.50, $1.60 from where we are. And the market only needs 103 million shares in order to do it. Now, if it takes it out in volume, guess what? That gives you a 203 price projection. The lows of the high, no, the lows of where we had some volume, December 18th, is $199.83. This is where this market wants to go. It's going to be pretty cool watching this whole thing shake out tomorrow morning. Go take a look at the 3 Qs. Same setup in the 3 Qs. Rejected lower price, 99.77. Closed at 102. Your B point on the 3 Qs, $103.38. Well, it's going to be real easy to take out because we only did 23 million shares there. That would set up, there's a smaller ABC, but you still got, I'm just ballparking this right now, 95, you still got $8. $8 would bring that to 107.77, and 109 is the December 14th lows. So there's action, and there's action everywhere. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Okay, so check it out. Jeez. Gold runs up to the highs of 1254 today. We did volume of 258,000. Now, the high that was trying to test was the spike high from 1263 from February 11th. That level there, we did 366,000. Gold had higher volume, but gave it up on price, even though it was up $7, okay? It's off $24 from its high. What does that set up? That I suspect what you're going to have is this. You're going to pull back somewhere, once again, to 1200 mark. You'll have lighter volume. This is building cause to go blow away that swing high. That's the way that's set up right now. Bonds. Bond market. We take a look at the notes first. This is what you have with the notes. Notes got into the swing high that was established out here on February 11th. That swing high, the low of the swing high is that 130, 121. Bottom line gets up there. We do 202.5 million contracts versus 2.4. So this is really intriguing, actually. So bonds aren't done yet. This is so cool because we tested that level with high volume. So now what this still sets up, this is crazy. So what this still sets up is that I suspect you're going to still get a pullback, but on the next downdraft, folks, inside the marketplace, these bonds are still, so picture, we're at the 10-year. We're at 130. I suspect this can pull back to like 129.08. It'll be a decent pullback. That's, what's that, 3 points. If we have volume off that, then you get a heavier pullback. But this is also saying that bonds are still not done, which is pretty amazing. We take a look at the 30-year. What do we have with the 30-year? 30-year is set up the same way. You did 504,000 contracts. That was testing the 550,000. Yeah, so the 30-year doesn't have to test. It was rejection on price also. Bottom line, I suspect what you're going to see here, and we're going to see it more than likely tomorrow morning. The impressive thing about what the market did out here today, too, by the way, was that you had the European markets down when, in fact, our markets start rallying. King dollar is an ABC structure on the way down. King dollar couldn't handle price nor volume. Bottom line, King dollar today gets up to a price point of 97.92. You close out at 97.53. You do 27,000 contracts. That 27,000 contracts is coming against 60,000 contracts, okay? No buyers inside the dollar market. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials closed up 53. NASDAQ up 39. S&P's up 14.5. We're going to be right back.